How to download the Adobe Acrobat app, desktop and mobile. For desktop, open your browser and go to get.adobe.com/reader. This page lets you download Adobe Acrobat Reader, the free version. The download will begin. Once it's done, open the installer and follow the simple steps to install it. Once installed, you will be able to open any PDF with just a double click. For mobile, iOS and Android, open the App Store if you are using iPhone or Play Store if you are using Android. Search for Adobe Acrobat Reader. Make sure it's the genuine app by Adobe. Tap download, wait for a few seconds and then install it on your phone. You can also sign in with an Adobe account to sync your files between devices. And that's it. You have downloaded Adobe Acrobat, ready to view, sign and manage all your PDFs like a boss. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.